Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to create a Telegram account. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Helpline, and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Telegram on a device and tap Start Messaging. On the pop-up, tap Continue and allow the permission. Now select your country and enter your phone number. Tap Next and tap Continue on the pop-up. Also, allow the permission. A verification code will be sent to your phone number, and Telegram will automatically verify your number. It is time to fill in your details, so enter your first and last name. You can also add a profile picture if you want. Tap Next. So that's how you create a Telegram account. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.